Welcome to Means Woodshop, the new Means Woodshop. I thought since I got into this space that I would make a shop tour video. I've never done a shop tour video, even at the old shop, which is my dad's shop. So this is a two-car garage. It is exactly what I wanted for a wood shop. A lot of woodworkers that I admire most tend to set up shop in their garages, and I just really liked that aesthetic. So I may get behind the camera, might look a little unprofessional because you'll have me behind the camera showing y'all stuff, but just showing you around just kind of how I got it set up. And so looking in from the outside onto the garage, you can see I've set up the table saw right up here at the front. I got my two heavy hitters up at the front. Table saw and bandsaw, they make the most dust, so it'll be easier to just kind of sweep that up, make dust collection easier. I've got my workbench dead in the center of the shop, which I like because I have plenty of room to move around it and do what I need to do. Look y'all, there's Junior. Junior, what are you doing? This cabinet area here was left in here when we moved in, so I'm using that for now for got some hand planes, finishes, drill bits and drivers, dado stack, sander, jigsaw, stuff like that. This rack thing was here, not sure what it was for, but I'm putting clamps on that for now. That is not going to be a permanent clamp storage solution. I'm probably going to make some racks at some point for clamp storage. My old hat rack. Did y'all see that video of the old hat rack? I made that a long time ago. I was gonna throw it away when I made the new hat rack. Have y'all seen that video? I held on to it and it works out perfect for these bar clamps. They just find their way really easy and stay put. I've got some extra blades up there, employee of the month. This big workbench. Oh, there's Soggy. That's a Junior's buddy. This big workbench was left here by the people who moved out, so I've got some table saw sleds under there that he's using a crosscut sled as a bed. I need to come up with a sanding solution. I want to build a sanding station. I got, router table, toolbox. They had this stuff here with, different holes and stuff where I put chisels, tapering jig. I don't know what this, all this stuff is. A little bandsaw, another crosscut sled. These shelves were here, which are kind of just a catch-all right now. I've got all my spray paint on there, more clamp stuff. I had security that was already hooked up when we came in. I didn't do that. Y'all see the paint video? In my Texas from the old shop. This big area here, I want to get rid of that OSB. It was left here. All my moving boxes, which I still need to get out. Taco Bell. And then I got like the AC and the hot water heater over here. All this shelving, which right now I'm just kind of using to store lumber and junk. And I might actually end up taking this shelving down and making like a lumber cart. And then they left this shelving unit over here as well, which I haven't put anything on yet. All that stuff was left. There's a lot I want to do with this shop. Right now it's really kind of like a blank page, and there's lots of stuff that I would like to do around here. But so of course the garage is in the front of the house, and when you go into it, there's a door that goes into the kitchen, and then you got this back door. I know it's like a big circle, which takes you right into the backyard. And then there was this big storage shed out here, which I'm thinking somebody at some point in time used this for a shop. There's wasps in here. Ooh, lots of wasps. I have disturbed a nest. I think somebody used this as a shop because it has these work tables and shelving, and it even had an AC unit in here, but Adam was really excited about this shed, but it's too small for woodworking. There's lots of wasps in here. I have holiday stuff. Let me show y'all another thing and then we'll wrap this tour up. This is the spare room. There's my little guitar, all my Star Wars crap, and a closet and some music stuff. But this, y'all see what I'm saying? This will be the new follow-up room where Adam and I will do our follow-up. So just that just came out a little bit back. And then, y'all remember the puppets. This is cool because Adam and I won't be sitting in my living room. We'll have a dedicated space for doing follow-ups. And I know it's been a hot minute since we've done a follow-up. And like I said, a lot of that was just cutting back stuff that was on my plate because of moving and all that other stuff. Just lots of stressful stuff, you know, personal crap. And so now that this move is out of the way, we can get back on track. Alright, so there it is, all of the new shop and the follow-up room. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and the shop tour, and I look forward to making content in here and making some new stuff. I know I had a really slow period on the channel for a while where I wasn't getting videos up every week, and me and Adam had done a lot of follow-ups. A lot of that was because of this whole moving situation. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, new woodworking videos every Friday. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.